How to fix random crashes of Modern Warfare 2 on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from AppGuard. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix random crashes of the Modern Warfare application on your PC. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to fix the random crashes of Modern Warfare game on your PC, what you want to do is first of all just right click on it and then go to display settings. Once you go to display settings, you always want to make sure that you are using a recommended resolution, because when you are using an unrecommended one, it is simply going to look odd and that could be causing the issues with your display. And when the display in your game is not matching the display on your Windows system as well, that could be one of the primary reasons why you've been facing the crash issue. The other thing you can try to do is to simply verify the integrity of your game files, which means you can try to scan and refill your game files, or else you can try to simply uninstall and then reinstall the Modern Combat game as well. And after you've done that, you also want to make sure to go to Windows Update and always check whether or not you're using the latest version. If you see an install button next to Windows Update, always make sure that you're updating it, because it is going to install some of the drivers and so on. Hopefully one of these solutions may have solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.